Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with the Parlor application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Parlor app on your smartphone and then you will be greeted with the sign in as well as the sign up screen. Now in order to create a new account, tap on sign up and you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. Now you can directly use your Twitter or your Google account to sign up and create a new account, or you can simply type in your email address and your desired password. Then simply click on the checkbox to agree with the terms of service and then tap on the sign up button. This will now begin signing you up to your account with the Parlor application. Now you can set up your profile by entering your display name. Then choose your gender, your age, the language, and your country. You can also enter a profile picture by tapping on the picture icon at the top section. Then simply tap on Save and your profile will be created. And now you can start using the Parlor application on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.